coming down out here. Snow is just falling off of our roof down onto our porch, and it sounds like a train is coming through. I cannot believe how much snow is outside right now. We did not anticipate this much snow, did we? Good morning, nonetheless. Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a minute. I just made my green smoothie with Indy. So I actually ended up breaking my old camera. Actually, I didn't do it. This little girl over here did. Whenever I took my camera out to film, it was sitting on the tripod and I was carrying Indy up the stairs holding my camera, and she managed to knock it clean off the tripod. It snapped in half, and honestly, it's a really expensive purchase to make. And so we took a little bit of time waiting to be able to get a new camera, but we have a new updated rig and I'm so excited about it. It's so beautiful. It's working so well so far. And so we're getting back into it and I am so happy. I was just at the point of being able to make content again. We had moved to Vermont and I took like 3 months off during that move because we moved from North Carolina to Vermont, and I needed to take some time to like get us settled and focus on that. And so I was so excited to start getting back into making content, and the day that I started making content again is the day that she knocked my camera over. So it was a rough ride. I was really upset about it, and you know, circumstances just present themselves sometimes, but we're really happy to be back. What? Would you like more smoothie? No. So we are basically trapped in a snow globe at the moment. We are getting our life back in order today.
Or anything else I was thinking of. Bigger project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
for bread?
We're making it, my love. Hold on 1 second, okay?
Can I touch it?
In just a second.
What is that? What is
That is water, butter, yeast, honey, and salt.
For to make bread.
Oh yeah, let's put Lion up here so he can supervise. I'm gonna roll your little sleeveys up. Would you like to use your hands or would you like to use this scooper?
A scooper.
Okay, so take this and scoop and dump.
A big scoop.
Nice.
I am going to dump the rest. I want to help store it.
Okay,
Can I eat it?
go ahead, take a bite.
I like it.
Oh, okay, well, to each their own, I suppose.
What are you doing?
Sprinkling a little bit of flour to help it not stick as much. See how sticky it is?
Yeah.
I want it to be a little bit less sticky. There we go.